Okay, we're looking at our Chapter 6 review today. Let's go over the problem. The volume of a certain cube can be found using an expression 5 to the third. What is 5 to the third written as a product in the same factor? So that means 5 is going to be written 3 times, so our answer is letter D. What is 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 written using an exponent? So 8 is written 4 times, so we have 8 to the 4th power. Number 3, 5 squared is 25, and then 25 plus 7 equals 32, which is letter B. 21 minus 3 squared plus 2. 3 squared is 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Number 5, 58 minus 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 58 minus 6 plus 1. We have 58 minus 6 is 52. And 52 plus 1 is 53. The letter was B. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 8 is 72. So 12 plus 72 is 84. What is the value of CD? If C equals 9 and D equals 8, so letters next to each other mean multiplication. So 9 times 8 is 72. Our answer is C. What is the value of 2 plus 3n? So 3 times 1/2. I get 3 over 2 when I multiply, so 2 plus 3 over 2. I'm going to change 3 over 2 into a mixed number, and that is 1.5. So 1.5 plus 2 gives us 3.5, which is G. This next one, we're at S plus T minus U. So S is 12, T is 8, U is 20. 12 plus 8 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0, which is letter A. Down here, we're going to write the algebraic expression. So 10 less than, Caitlin, less than means we flip. So C minus 10, which is letter G. 13 times means we're going to multiply, so look for the multiplication. That is letter D, because a letter and a number next to each other mean multiplication. 12 inches longer than, so we're adding. And so the only one with addition is right there, letter H. Which property is illustrated by the statement 3 plus 0 equals 3? That would be the identity property. Which property is illustrated in the statement 6 times 4? It's the same thing as 4 times 6. That is G, commutative. Which of the following is equivalent to 2 times, and in parentheses, 4 times 3? And that would be letter C. Which of the following is factored form of the expression 18 plus 12? The largest number that can go into 18 and 12 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times 2 is 12. So our answer would be letter H. Which property shows how to find 5 times 83 mentally by using the distributive property? So we have 5 times 80 plus 5 times 3. And that would be letter D. Our next one, we're going to use the distributive property to solve. So 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 4 is 24. So the letter is I. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times r is 2r. So our letter is B. 11 times n is 11n. And 11 times 3 is 33. So our answer is I. Now we're going to simplify the expressions. All of these have x's in them, so we can add them right up. 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So our answer is C. This one we're multiplying, so we get 20x, which is letter I. This one we're going to use the distributive factor property. So 7 times 2x is 14x, and 7 times 6y is 42y. So our answer is A. Okay, we're going to factor these last two, and that means we're going to find the largest number that goes into them. So 20 and 35, that means 7. not 7. I'm sorry. That means 5. 5 times 4x is 20x, and 5 times 7y is 35y. So our answer would be H. And our last one, the number that goes into both of these is going to be 8. 8 times 3x is 24x, and 8 times 8y is 64y. So our answer would be B. Your problems on your test tomorrow will be very similar to these.